Are you sick of your post-workout protein shake? Well, I've got a keto-friendly, protein-packed treat for you. Let's go. The first ingredient you need is obviously protein powder. Now today I'm using raw protein powder, but you can use whatever flavor you like. Now add in your Dutch processed cocoa powder. The next ingredient is collagen peptides. Now you don't need the collagen peptides if you don't have them, but if you do, throw them in there. Unless they're a flavored kind, then I guess that would kind of make it taste very weird. So maybe don't add those ones in there, but if you have an unflavored version, throw it in there because it helps prevent DOMS. Well, at least that's what I found. I've had days where I didn't take my collagen peptides and then the next day my legs hurt so bad I could hardly sit on the toilet. If you know, you know. So add them in there. Now, the next ingredient that you need is peanut butter. Now add in your almond milk. So I have a really great recipe for almond milk if you want to check that link below, but you can also buy it from the store if you don't have time to make it yourself. Now add in your cream. Now add in a few cubes of ice, followed by your favorite monk fruit sweetener. And then like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's blend this thing up. Okay, now it's all blended. Now it's time to pour it into your glass and maybe even top it off with a little whipped cream, maybe some chocolate drizzle, some crushed nuts. Now it's sounding like a real treat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future suggestions for videos that I can do, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.